jump off the boat and climb up the tree and never come back again. They cried for 18 years since Hong Kong Disneyland opened. The show we made it to cross through this river, but it's okay. I think this time they're going to hunting or eating or just playing around. Whoa, this scar, why so small? Oh no, that's it. Hang down. You wanna, your hands down. I think I just arrived with the God of Konya, where the water god and the fire god sleep. We can't come here without destination. Oh no, you think they just go outside here? Oh no, the fire god come here. She's gonna burn Did anyone know how to swim? I think. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 700 people is still on my boat safely and oh. I'm sorry. Hello, Anna. Sit closer. Okay, keep moving. Thank you. Please keep closer. Please keep closer. Please take a seat. Okay, is everyone okay? Turn around and say goodbye to our beauties on the dock. Goodbye. Hope we can see again. Okay, welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I'm your skipper. My name is Toa, and I will be your skipper for those tonight. And just kindly be reminded the water well so you may get wet. Hello, let's say hello to this. Hello. Okay, just move there. Okay, you can see it. Woo! Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. Remember to enter my boat. Okay, remember, don't try to swim in this river because we have many crocodiles here. Is that okay? Okay, this river is around 4,000 kilometers long, but it's okay. I know a shortcut. We can only use 5, 9, 10 days. Ha ha ha. Okay, everyone please look at your left side. This is the elephant babies and his mother. I think they're learning how to strike water with his tongues. Oh, so cute. Goodbye, little elephant. So we keep moving on. Everyone look at your right side. This is the elephant brother. So I think he likes to shower around 22 hours a day. Look at those feet. Oh, who's there? It's my elephant brother. No. Okay, your skipper doesn't want to get wet. I'm so sorry, I'm just kidding. elephant photos, please. Okay, hello, little beauty. Please sit on the chair. Yes. Okay, everyone, please look at your left side. These spiders is the most biggest and poisonous spiders in the world. But it's okay because we have many people here, so they will jump on someone, but no time. And now arrives the glacier, elephant god, and the two guardians, King Cobra. Yes, so wonderful. You know, King Cobra actually is the most poisonous snake in the world, but not the biggest one. Just a little bit knowledge. So we just cross this quietly. Can everyone see what's there? Yes, the crocodiles. We call them crocodiles. Quick question, what crocodiles call us? And everyone knows? Actually, crocodiles, they call us dinner. Wow, so delicious, so juicy. So we just cross it. Oh, look this. It's a gorilla campaign. Oh yeah. They are Thai friends of desert. Oh hello. The one who wearing yellow clothes, please don't make any banana sounds, otherwise they will come and find you. So dangerous. Okay, we arrived to Africa. Look at this. It's zebra and giraffe. Do everyone know how to define male zebra and female zebras? No. Actually, female zebra is black with white and female zebra is white with black. It's just opposite sides, but I can't define it. Oh, look at those elephants. Oh, still one here, next one here. I think they are, he's the son of the second dangerous animal, you know. They just argue a lot. Oh, we arrived at hippo too. They are rather safe down the Oh, no here, so that is so smelly. Oh, remember to brush your teeth, please, okay? You don't want to get your teeth so black. The last explorers that traveled this took a scare of the hippo and they jump off the boat and climb up the tree and never come back again. They cried for 18 years since Hong Kong Disneyland opened. Look at this ghost. I think I just arrived where the headhunter lives. Okay, actually because it's the only way for our shortcut, so we needed to cross through this river. But it's okay. I think this time they're going to hunting or eating or just playing around. Whoa, this scar, why so small? Oh no, that's heads down. You want it, your head down. Oh wait, everyone has you on your body. You're still here? Okay, 1, 2, still here. Okay, have everyone lost their head? If yes, just go to lost and find answers, okay? Okay, if anyone get the poison or dog, please remember that we can't take souvenirs, so please prove back to the wizards. Okay, your camera is on, your skipper's on you. What's happening? Danger! I think I just arrived where the god of Cornell, where the water god and the fire god sleep. We can't come here without permission. Oh no, you think they just go outside here? Oh no, the fire god's coming. She's gonna burn us. Does anyone know how to swim? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 700 people is still on my boat safely and and one look, it's the baby elephant. Start from the beginning. So adorable. He able to use his nose to feel water, so he tried to show us. Okay, before we go back to the town, okay, just say goodbye to him. Bye bye. Okay, before we go back to the town, please put all your knees and hands. Hello. Put your hands inside my bowl. Yes, thank you. Hands inside my bowl. Hand inside my bowl. And then, please leave my boat until I say my boat has stopped. You may leave now. Is that okay? Okay. And then please leave from the front door and the back door. Don't cross through this kind of window. It's so expensive. I will cry loudly if you break my window. Is that okay? Okay, my name is Toa. If you feel happy, I'm Toa. If you don't feel happy, then maybe my name is Sylvia. Not Toa anymore. Happy Toa, unhappy Sylvia. Just give 5 hello, please sit down. Please give me 5 seconds to stop my boat. Okay. My boat has stopped. You may leave now. Goodbye. Have a magical day.